Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use camera flash on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to use camera flash, you will see camera flash is here. If you want to turn on camera flash, click on this icon. You will see use camera flash from here. If you want to turn off camera flash, click on this icon and you will see camera flash is turned off. And you will see, if you again click on this icon, click on auto and you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use camera flash on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.